what are some of the characters that you play on Wise Guys Cooking?
Oh, I do the wig man, I do the inventor, which I really love, and they called me Frankie Cherry Nose Montiforte. Supposedly all guys from Chicago. I mean, it's a hoot. We just have a lot of fun. We have tons of stories and about the Italian upbringing, you know, and it's quite good, you know, it's wonderful, and we love it.
Casual glance changes slowly to the maddest romance, a new life, a new attitude, in a moment's interlude, in a matter of no time at all.
It's my favorite and most popular. It's called the Donald. When you wear that wig, it makes your head feel great again.
One of the bases in the moment, though you're desperate and down. In a moment, it can all turn around. It's a fact I've known to be true from the moment I saw you.